Printing a Microsoft project file to PDF allows you to share or present your project plan more easily. Here's how to do it. Set up your project view. Choose a view. Open your project and select the view you want to print, such as the Gantt chart, task sheet, or resource sheet. Adjust columns. Ensure that important columns like task name, duration, and start or end dates are visible in your view. Adjust page layout. Page setup. Go to File, Print, then click Page Setup. Here, you can adjust orientation, paper size, and scaling to fit your project on fewer pages. Fit to one page. If necessary, adjust the scaling under the Page tab to fit the entire project on one page or a specific number of pages. Print to PDF. Print command. In the File, Print menu, select Microsoft Print to PDF or another PDF printer from the Printer drop-down. Preview. Use the print preview to check how the project will look as a PDF, adjusting settings if necessary. Save as PDF. Click Print and a dialog box will appear to save the file. Choose a location, name your PDF, and click Save.